So here's a very interesting light. This is made specifically so it can be hooked up to a place in the house where you don't have power. So even though it comes with a USB cord and it has a rechargeable battery, it also comes with a solar panel. So it has a hook, so I'm going to hook this one up, and then the solar panel is going to be installed right on top. Because I live in Vegas, this should give plenty of power to have this one running when I need it. So I literally have power in my hand. Check this out, right? How cool is this? And you could change it from yellow to white and all solar powered. This is quite amazing, right? So I think it's going to work really, really well for my application. And we could set it up in detection mode, or you could set it up into automatic mode, night and day mode. So you could turn on when the lights come off. When the sun goes out, it can come on, or you could set it up so it detects presence. Another really cool thing, you don't need licensed electrician to come over and do this. So the light is up. All you have to do is just install the solar panel now. It comes with a really long cord if you have to put the solar panel in the sun. In my case, I could use a short cord because I'm going to put the solar panel like right there. With the solar plugged in, it will detect that there is light outside. So I was trying to charge the battery, but you could turn it on manually. So you could turn it on manually by pushing this red button on the remote. You could change the color if you want from warm color to white color. And then you could set it up so it turns off itself after 6 hours, after 4 hours, after 2 hours. You could set it up as a day and night mode, or you could set it up as a presence mode. So you have the buttons over here. So you can sense somebody that is walking to the patio or has a day and night. This is the light that it provides at night. Also, it's really, really nice about it. You could use it as a camping light. So if you're going somewhere camping, you could just grab it, take it down with a solar panel, or go put it in a tree, and then it will just run that way. It's a really, really nice light, and it's quite powerful. As you can see, it makes the yard very, very nicely lit up.